Hello, my name is Kyle Fidalgo, and in this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the appointment group feature in Canvas. This will allow you to create calendar events that your students can sign up for. It helps with automating things like office hour sign up or handling sign up for group or individual presentation dates. Any documentation I may reference in this video can be found in the description section of this video tutorial. To get started, log into your BC Canvas account by going to bc.edu/lms. Once you're logged in, click the calendar item in the global navigation. The next thing to do is to make sure that the calendar you wish to make the appointment group in is selected in your list of calendars on the right-hand side. You'll know that it's selected because the box next to the name of the calendar will have a color. Otherwise, it will be grayed out. If the calendar you wish to make the appointment in is grayed out, simply click the box to the left of it to activate the calendar. Once you have the appropriate calendar selected, you can then make the appointment group by either clicking the plus icon in the upper right or navigating to the first date that you'd like to create the appointment group and clicking the box for the date. In the event window that appears, click Appointment Group. The first thing to do is to make sure that the appropriate calendar is selected. Choose Select Calendars and then click the appropriate course that you wish to make this appointment group for. Once the course is selected, click Done. Now give your appointment group a name. In this example, I'm going to choose to create an appointment group for student presentations. You can also choose to enter a location if necessary. The next thing is on date, you would choose the time range for this particular appointment. Let's say this is a presentation that spans the entire class. It could be from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. for instance. If you were going to have multiple presentations in the same class, you can also choose to divide the time into equal time slots. So let's say I wanted this to be in increments of 15 minutes. You type in the time that you like and then click Go. It will automatically adjust all of the time slots for you up until the final time range that you selected. This is definitely a very handy and time-saving feature if you want to break down your time slots into equal increments. If for some reason you make a mistake, you can always choose to delete each of the time slots and start over. Some other options that you may be interested in, you can choose to limit how many students can sign up for each time slot. So if this were a group presentation, or if this were office hours where maybe you allow one or more students to show up, you could increment the amount of users that are allowed to sign up for this by clicking the little up arrow here. If you allow more than one student to sign up for a time slot, the next checkbox allows students to see who has signed up for the time slots that are still available. You can also limit the participants to only attend one appointment. And finally, if you have groups set up in your Canvas site, you can choose to have students sign up in groups, and you would choose the appropriate group category that was configured in your course. Enter any additional details the students may need to know for this appointment, and then click Publish. Once the appointment group is created, you will see all of the different time slots that have been created on your calendar. By clicking one of them, it will show you additional details about this particular appointment slot. If you wish to see more details, you can click Group Details. This will bring you to a page where you can see more information about this particular appointment group that you created. You also have one additional feature where you can message students for this particular assignment group that allows you to send a message to a couple different types of students, which can come in handy. 1, all groups. 2, groups who haven't signed up yet, or groups who have already signed up. Now I'd like to go over how your students would sign up for this group appointment. I'm going to go to my course that this was set up in and go to Student View so I can mimic being a student in this course. When your student goes to their calendar, they will see an appointments section where they can then click Find Appointment. They'll select the appropriate course and click Submit, and it will show them a listing of all the different appointment slots that they can sign up for. By clicking one of the time slots, they can choose to click Reserve. Now I'm going to leave Student View so I can show you what that looks like on your calendar. To leave Student View, you can just click the button in the bottom right corner. And now on your calendar, you can see a listing of the student appointment groups, and one of your students has now signed up for an appointment slot. This makes managing appointment groups and appointment slots very easy inside of Canvas. If you have any questions, please email me at lawedtech@bc.edu. Thanks for watching this video tutorial, and stay tuned for more like these in the future.